Hey everyone, so I've been getting quite a few requests to start doing more tutorials on my page, so here is a passion twist tutorial for you guys. I don't like using the rubber band method, so I came up with this method. I've actually never seen it done. It just came to me. I was like, this is what makes sense to me, so I started adopting it for all of my clients. I start off by single braiding the client's hair about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. I then wrap the hair around that single braid 3 to 4 times, and then I split their natural hair into 2 and begin twisting. When you're twisting passion twist, or any twist in that case, you want to twist the hair and then twist the hair. So here you can see me actually rolling the hair in between my index and thumb finger, and you want to repeat that all the way down the braid. That way you're really securing the client's natural hair and getting an overall cleaner and neater look, and it lasts longer as well. As you twist down, you're going to add product as needed. I actually use mousse as well as I'm twisting down, but it was too far of a reach for me to grab while I was recording.